Hey there, how's it going? Welcome back to another Young Saadi unboxing video. And today, we're actually going to be unboxing my second pair of Suavs shoes. That's right, I'm going to take a look at the jet black with a gum bottom in the size 10.5. Now, before I get to the unboxing and on-foot portion of the video, I do want to talk just a little bit about the shoes and the company behind them. Suavs are designed to take you anywhere. They have a flexible fit for all-day wear. They're easy to travel with because you can just fold them up and put them in your luggage. Also, you can clean them if they get dirty. They come in a variety of different colors based on what your taste is. In my experience personally, they've been true to size. However, you can always size up, and for some, you can do a half size up. So it's something to keep in mind there if you're checking them out. And then starting in 2020, they actually started digitally knitting the shoe from post-consumer recycled water bottles. So they actually reduced material waste in production by doing that. Of course, no animals were used in the making of these shoes. And then all of the materials have been tested to make sure that they're safe for the consumer and the environment. Pretty nice. And then any extra footwear that they have, they donate to Souls for Souls, LifeWorks, and other similar organizations. Pretty great to see a lot of the work that they do just behind the scenes beyond just, making the shoe. So that said, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing portion and open up these shoes. So these are the shoes right here. This is the box for it. A bit newer actually than the first time that I unboxed them. So right here on the top, shoes for people making moves. Goes along with definitely the kind of lifestyle, very active, getting out and about. These are the kind of shoes that you want to take with you. And then the branding here on this side, as well as on the other side as well. And this is actually the fun part here. They added this pull tab now, which I'm a huge fan of when it comes to, a packaging design decision. That's really, really cool. So let's go ahead and get that opened up here. All right, so open that up. Oh, awesome. Okay, so we have breathable, sweat wicking, washable, dries quick, lightweight and packable. I already hit this stuff up, but kind of cool to see that there. You actually have a little sticker here, kind of fun, in case these aren't the right fit or you need to return or exchange them. I think you can pull this off here and then just reseal it if you want to send it back in the same box. Talks a little bit about the material, about the fit. And then sure enough, that exactly that. There it is. Perfect. So that's awesome. That's a great breakdown. And so let's go ahead and then the website right there at the bottom. But then of course there's the link in the description as well. So now we have the paper here, and then there's this. Oh, perfect. Okay, so it's just like that. Pretty cool here. Let's see if there we go. Nice. Designed for comfort and versatility, Suavs were created for going anywhere and doing anything, be it lounging at home, out for a walk, or on an adventure. Tag us on social media at Suavs Shoes using the hashtag #DoAnything to show us how you wear your Suavs. So pretty nifty there. Pretty nifty. And then what do we have here? Is that? Oh, that's just part of the picture. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into them. Oh, wow. Yeah, that looks so cool. Nice. So, okay, yeah, right off the bat here, you can tell that knit structure, it goes, you know, pretty well with the overall flexibility of the shoe. So you'll see here, kind of unfold it a little bit more. This is what I mean though by the fit, right? So when it comes to just, you know, a very almost like sock-like fit, you know, very to your foot, which is really nice. And then also the gum bottoms here on the jet black. So once again, these are the men's Zilker in jet black with the gum bottoms in a 10.5. And yeah, we have the nice little pull tab here in the back, and then the Suavs, you know, branding there right in the actual right in the actual material. Really nice. What I really like the most about these shoes is that they're made with a lot of detail, you know, attention to detail in mind, 1000%. And you can see that in the craftsmanship, because there aren't any frays, there aren't any loose, you know, knit parts of the shoe. Everything looks very clean all the way around. So that's really neat. And then, yep, and then the little sole there. You can actually replace these with a different one if you have one that you like to, you know, some Dr. Scholl's or something. You can absolutely do that with these shoes. So we'll take both of these out here. Good crunch, and we'll go ahead and get that out of here. So these are, let's get a good focus there. There we go. So these are the shoes. And now keep in mind, this is jet black, so not a two-tone, you know, upper here, but just solid black with black laces as well, and then those gum bottoms. Personally, I'm definitely wearing these like pretty much nonstop, but definitely all summer long. These are going to be my go-tos, I can tell already. And then here on the bottom, that gum bottom, it just looks so clean, really clean. I like the look of it. I like the waves. I like the simplicity, the minimal design. I'm obviously big on that. You can check any of the other things I like to review and pretty much get that same sense. Very cool. Well, let's go ahead and get those right in the shot there. And fantastic. So now that we've covered this portion, I do want to, before we get to the on foot part of this video, real quick, I just want to cover a couple things. So if you want to check out my older video on these shoes, but in a different colorway, also with an on foot, go ahead and either wait till the end of the video, you'll see it pop up there, or check it out on my channel. Also, you can check me on any of the, you know, on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, as well as YouTube, all under Young Saadi, for any additional updates, new content, anything that's going on with myself or the channels. You can see it all there. So that's YUNGSAADI. Definitely keep an eye out there for, you know, new updates here and there with whatever I'm getting myself into. So I think on that note, we can go ahead and move over to the on-foot portion. So one last time, these are the men's Zilker in jet black with gum bottoms, and you'll see they're pretty comfortable, pretty minimal style shoe for everyday wear. So check them out if you have the opportunity, and yeah, that'll about do it. So on to the next part. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Zilker. Almost got it. Almost got it. Welcome back to another Young Saadi unboxing. What's the shred? What's the shred about, my guy? Video. And today, there it is. That's it. Hey there.